Hi there everyone, the OTOP has just bypassed 3 years and we are now moving to the 4th year since we started in August year 2020. Well, everyone, welcome back to the OTOP series on Monday morning 9 a.m. and now we are doing this OTOP on every 2nd and 4th Monday of every month. So take note of it, it's going to be on the 2nd Monday and the 4th Monday of every month. So on this 14 August year 2023, we are going to present to you this OTOP series, which is the episode 152. Alright, 152, and this for the week 14 August year 2023. And don't forget that next time you're going to watch us again will be 2 Mondays later, which is going to be on the 28th August this month. Well, before we start off, please like us and continue to support us and share this video to the people around you if you think that can help them a little bit here and there. Alright, very quickly, this week we're going to share with you again on one very important market opinion. So stay tuned for the next couple of minutes, up to and not more than 10 minutes. Alright, and you're going to back some profits. Well, 2 weeks ago in the OTOP 151, we hope all of you have backed some profits if you actually went into the inverse ETF on buying Nikkei. Alright, because at that time we were expecting the Nikkei 225 index to hit the top and turn down, and it did. Alright, it did. So congratulations for those who have made some quick profits from shorting Nikkei or buying the inverse Nikkei ETF. Alright, for this OTOP 152 and for the date 14 August year 2023, before we start off, we're going to share with you a quick run through on what happened on Friday. Alright, on last Friday we have the market closing here. Well, the Dow Jones was up 105 points after the producer price index of the US has shown a recovery. Alright, 0.3% growth. Alright, but still below the expectation of 0.4, so that's not too bad. And the S&P was down 4 points, closing price 4464, and the Nasdaq was down 93 points. Well, most importantly, if we look at gold prices on last week, alright, this is the gold prices futures closing price was 1945, alright, 1945 US dollar per ounce, and the WTI crude prices were a little bit up, alright, and the closing price was 83.04 US dollars per barrel. Well, this week is very important to take a look at the dollar index because we're expecting the dollar to firm up a little bit more. There is a little bit of room at the top, and dollar is probably going to hit the top. So while it is going to take a few more days to hit the top on the dollar index, we're expecting commodities like gold prices probably will go down a little bit more. Alright, and the WTI crude prices also probably will be turning down. Well, so this week, alright, we are expecting the dollar to be a little bit firm, but it's going to be turning down as I mentioned earlier. So take a look at this dollar yen, okay, US dollar versus yen. As you look here, there is a very strong resistance on the top side, alright, at about 145.30 to 145.50. We are expecting the market to hit the top and start turning down probably after midweek, like Wednesday. Alright, so on the week chart itself, you can also see that it is very strong here, alright, unless if it breaks above 145.50, then it might be going back up to 148. Otherwise, well, there's a very big chance of hitting 145.3 or around there before it comes down, because on a monthly chart, as you can see here, alright, this is a very strong triple top. And well, we are taking an opinion to find a top to short in the dollar yen for this coming week. Well, this is a month chart. So moving back to the 4-hour chart here, alright, there's nothing spectacular here. It's almost on the top side. And back to the day chart here, well, once again we are favoring on finding a top to short on the dollar yen this week, probably at 145.30. So what are we going to do on something to long on it, on long on the yen? Alright, because when dollar yen falls under the midweek, we are looking at yen to recover and move up. So we are going to take up this ETF, which is going to be, well, if I'm not wrong, it's going to be JCL. Coming up quickly, and this is it. Oh, sorry, it's YCL. Sorry, YCL. All right. These are 2 times long ETF on yen. So when dollar yen falls, this ETF is going to surge. Well, taking a look at this ETF here, this is a ProShare Ultra Yen 2 times leverage. Well, it's pretty on the downside, and closing price on Friday was 26.92. Well, I think anywhere near the 26 you can find an entry just in case anytime it's going to turn up. All right, taking a look at the 4-hour chart. Well, it's just a matter of take a side stance or take a position in this 26 if it happens to come down there this week. Alright, so this is a very quick run through on OTOP 152 for the date 14 August year 2023. Alright, take a look at this YCL this week because it may make you some profits. Unless if the dollar yen cash price breaks above 145.5, then you have to abandon this YCL for the time being. Alright, share this video with the people around you, and we shall be back in 2 weeks time, and that will be on the 28th August year 2023. Well, stay tuned and come back 2 weeks later. Bye bye. Signing off.